Welcome to something a little different from Lost on the Lanes. So for years, we've been discovering the trails of the Peak District, exploring lanes so you can too. And now we're out on location, bringing you amazing footage with more stunning scenery and exciting trails. We both had big birthdays this year, so we decided to take some time off work and base ourselves in southern Spain in Andalusia. We're exploring the Tet, but luckily, here in Spain we can go almost anywhere. Our trails take us right up into the heart of some of these fantastic mountains. This video is just a taste, a first look at the adventure. The full videos will be released once we are back in the UK.
So you can see where we are on this map. This is Malaga, and we're based up here in Villanueva del Trabuco. The red line is the Tet, but really, you know, these are the amazing olive trees that are just absolutely everywhere around Spain, and we've really enjoyed going through some of these olive groves. It's an amazing landscape. And this is what Lost on the Lanes has always been about. It's that feeling of discovery, the buzz of not knowing exactly what's around the next bend, only that it's going to be amazingly breathtaking, and that's certainly been the case so far, and we've got lots of days left to go. We were here in this part of Spain, down in the south, not far from Granada, around this time last year doing the Husqvarna trek, and we loved it so much we decided to come back this year. And just like back home, we're finding those lanes, we're plotting those routes, we're getting gloriously, wonderfully lost in some cases, and we're recording these journeys so that you can see what these trails are like if you fancy coming down and doing the same thing. We'll show you the sights, the secrets, and the sheer joy of riding where the olives grow and the mountains touch the sky.